there's anything this whole corona outbreak has taught us, it's that there's a lot of people with some serious bowel problems going on. They're stockpiling toilet paper, getting into fist fights, empty shelves everywhere. So today I want to show you a little life hack that can literally save your butt during the toilet paper famine of 2020. There's one thing you need: a rolling paper. A simple rolling paper. So let's have a quick look how we can do this. So if you like the video, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe, especially if you want to see some base covers, because that's my usual content on here. But I felt like I really had to teach you guys this little life hack. Let's get through this pandemic as healthy and as safe as possible. Please guys, stay in, and I hope to see you guys soon. Later.